Striking when the outlines of letters appear perfectly crisp and controlled. Today, how to create crisp typography outlines. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3000 by 3000 pixels at 300 dpi. Add your text using the Type tool and select a bold font that can handle edge refinement. Convert the text layer into a smart object to maintain flexibility. Duplicate the layer and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius around 1.8 pixels. Then switch the blend mode to Overlay to sharpen the letter edges subtly. Zoom into corners and curves of the typography and use the Sharpen tool